Hello guys, welcome. Yeah man, today I'm gonna be cooking some vegetable bean stew. Yeah man, with white rice. Yeah man, that is it guys. So just stay tuned. Yeah man, to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah man, please remember guys to continue to support my channel. Yeah man, you mean the world to me. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and check out my vegetable bean stew. Yeah man. Okay guys, so here I have my rice. So I'm gonna wash the rice and let it cook in the meantime while I prepare the vegetable. Yeah man. That is it. Gotta make sure I wash the rice properly, 4 to 5 times. Rinse it properly. Yeah man. Get rid of the excess starch. Yeah. Right guys, so I have my rice washed here. So I'm gonna go ahead get the stove going. So alright, here you go. Right, so because the pot is wet, stove, electrical stove, so it's not turning on. There you go. All right. So now I'm gonna add some sea salt. Then I'm gonna add some butter. Right, and I'm gonna let that steam. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the coconut milk first thing for the bean stew. I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Alright guys, so add the coconut milk. Yeah, that's the first thing I put in the pot is the coconut milk. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna start prepare the seasoning. So I have my thyme. Add some onions. Yeah man, that's a vegetable bean stew, you know. I'm gonna take it from scratch. So just gonna add a little hot water. Alright guys, so this is the red bean, so it's a little hard. Yeah, take more time to cook, so I make sure I add that first, you know. Yep, so there you go. Give this a little stir, let everything kick in. Alright, so I'm gonna add my carrot. So I cut the carrot in half, and then I'm gonna slice them in small thin slices. So I'm gonna have the carrot cook with the red bean in the meantime, you know. Right, so I add my carrot. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start season the pot properly now. You can give this a little cover so it steams properly. Add my scallion. Remember guys, we're cooking vegetable bean stew, alright? So add some purple onion. Add my purple onion, give it a little stir so everything comes in one. Let everybody come together here, you know. Yeah man. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little sea salt, make sure the flavor is right, you know. Old Bay seasoning. Old Bay seasoning is really good, guys. Yeah, man. I love to cook with my Old Bay. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna add my kidney beans. Give this a stir, you know. I'm gonna mix everything in properly. I'm gonna let this cook while I prepare my cabbage and the rest of the seasoning and vegetables. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Have my bell pepper. Have my bowl here. Have my bell pepper. My Scotch bonnet pepper. Here my cabbage. So here are my Irish potatoes. And so add my Irish potato. Give it a little stir, you know. Oh my god, this starts smelling really good. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna take a check on the rice. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, man. Rice is nice. Nice and shelly. And that is it, guys. So I'll let you take a real quick look on my vegetable bean stew. Alright. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. So, vegetable bean stew with a coconut milk base, you know? Yeah, man. Stewing it down properly, you know? That is it. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some mushroom. Yeah, man. So I have about say 4 large mushroom. Yeah, man. Make sure I wash them properly, you know. Yeah, man. That's very important, guys. So you slice these mushrooms in small thin slices. So the mushroom and the cabbage, I'm gonna add that at the same time. Alright, so I just want to make sure the beans cook properly, you know, before I add these, because you don't want your cabbage to be melted, you know, and overcook. Same as the mushrooms. Yeah, man. Trust me, guys, this is gonna be really good. Yeah, man, it's gonna very tasty, you know. Yeah, man. Add the rest of my purple onion. Right. Make sure at this right time, you know. That is it, guys. This looks really good. I'll put a little more heat on it. Alright, see, I have my mushrooms and my cabbage. So I'm gonna add this to my bean stew. I have my bell pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, lots of onions and garlic and thyme, scallion. So I'm just gonna stir this in. Yeah, man. Trust me, guys, this is awesome. Delicious. So this is a vegetarian dish, guys. Called vegetable bean stew. Yeah, man, with a coconut milk base. Alright. Everything is mixing in properly. So I'm gonna give you a closer look, closer view. That is it, guys. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this steam for about another 15 minutes. Yeah, man. That is it, guys. And please, guys, remember to keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah, man, please continue, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, man. Respect, one love. giving you a little touch of the Jamaican flavor right up in here in the United States of America. That's Dallas, Texas. Yes, man, that is it. Alright, guys, see, yeah, man, rice is ready. That is it. And see, vegetable bean stew. Fully active rice. That is it, out there you see a flex Jamaican cuisine, nice and juicy. Vegetable bean stew. That is it. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so that is it. Yeah, man, that's my vegetable bean stew. It's ready. Yeah, man. And that's my white rice. And this is mine. Yeah, man. I'm gonna be eating my food right about now. Alright, guys, so that is it,